Okay. Now, I gotta tell Flower something. Flower!
Yeah, hold on.
I just accidentally entered your house. Oops.
I'm brushing my hair.
Okay. Okay. You coming?
Yep, I'm right here. You can come in.
Oh, so I have to tell you that I'm not going to be home for a couple of days because I'm going to my hometown Bloxburg to see my dad because he still lives in my old house.
Oh, can I come?
I guess so. I'll have to introduce you to my dad, but yeah, I guess you could come. So I'm gonna go get packing and get ready.
My dad gave me some stuff. Okay, now here's that. Well, he bought me some stuff.
I am gonna go get packing.
Okay.
So I'll see you at the airport.
Yep.
Alright, bye Flower, see you at the airport.
See you at the...
Okay, I gotta get to the airport. I'm gonna be late. Okay. I hope Flower's there already waiting for me. The flight to Bloxburg is pretty far. Oh, Flower, I see you.
I see you.
Oh, should I put on a mask?
Yeah, you might want to because we're going right into an airport.
Okay. Okay, I got my mask on. Let's get going.
Okay, let's go.
Here you go. Thanks. Are you excited to see my hometown?
Yep.
My dad still lives there. The reason we moved here is because my mother divorced. Him and my mother divorced. So let's just place.
Going to put my suitcase up here.
Okay, this is where we're gonna sit. Okay. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna take a little nap.
Okay. We're heading for our landing. Ah! Whoa! We gotta go. We're heading for landing. Okay, I got mine. Let's get going. Okay, we're finally here. Flower, this is Bloxburg. And as usual, it's very rainy.
Yeah, I can see. And it looks like it's fall here.
Yeah, it's summer in Brookhaven.
Yeah.
And this is my house over here. This is where I used to live.
Is that a photo place?
This is the smoothie place that is behind my house apparently. You trapped me in here. Let's go in so I can show you what my house looks like.
Where's your dad? Pizza.
Oh yeah, there's pizza left over from yesterday. I'll go let my dad know that I have a friend here. Okay, so how was meeting my dad? And this is where my room was. It looks the exact same.
What's behind this?
Nothing.
Closet, I'm guessing?
It was my closet. And this was a spare bedroom.
Oh, it's all pink.
Is this the room you're gonna stay in? I'm gonna stay in my old room.
Yeah, I think I might stay in here.
I'm gonna stay in my old room.
Okay. I might want to change the color light to like white because I kind of like the color white better.
Okay. Wait, Flower, aren't you looking for a job?
Yeah, let me go grab a magic fruit that I had in this room.
There's plenty of jobs here. There's a pizza place. There's a ton of jobs.
I'm gonna see which one's hiring. Oh, it looks like Green Queen is hiring.
Yeah, work there. Okay, bye, Flower. See you later.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
I'm going to get my exercise in and walk over there. I wonder how far Moon's is. I need to get some money so I can change the lights in my room, well, in the guest room, to white. Oh, I see the town. I wonder how Marigolds do. Cross the road. Oh, I wish I could set up Halloween here. Oh, probably Halloween over here. Hi, I'm here for the green job.
Okay. You can change over here. You can change over there.
Okay. Thank you, sir. I'm gonna go clean up. Why is there so much graffiti on this?
Spooky.
What's that?
Spooky.
I'm gonna clean this one last thing and then I'm getting out of here because this place is
Spooky. Stay!
here, take your stuff.
Spooky.
I am never going back there.
What happened?
Some creepy stuff was going on.
What, like what?
I kept hearing ooga booga boo or something. I don't remember.
Well, come look at your bedroom.
Ooh, you fixed it. I'm gonna ask your dad if I can change the light bulbs to white.
They are white.
They are?
Yep.
Oh, did you already do it?
Yeah, we already did it after you left.
Okay.
Then come see what I did with my room. Most of out here's the exact same. The light bulb over here blends into the wall.
Oh.
It's my closet area.
Is you edit this?
Yeah. Now let's get going. Bye, bye, Flower. Okay, let's get going. Dun, dun.